shades of gentle blue, softly drifting, calm and true. Cherry blossoms start to fall, yellow flowers greet them all. Magnolia whispers in the breeze, dancing with the blooming trees. Lotus pond reflects the glow, little tadpoles swim below. Every moment soft and slow, peace is all I need to know. Hear the drum, the wooden sound, echo spreading all around. In this place my heart is free, floating like a melody. Lanterns shining, colors bright, holding prayers into the night. In this peaceful temple where love and light are everywhere. By the water, standing still, a heron waits with silent will, searching softly, calm and wise, under fading golden skies. Steps are quiet, breath is deep, even time has gone to sleep. Every sound and every sight wraps the world in gentle light. Lotus pond reflects the glow, little tadpoles swim below. Every moment soft and slow, peace is all I need to know. Hear the drum, the wooden sound, echo spreading all around. In this place my heart is free, floating like a melody. Lanterns shining, colors bright, holding prayers into the night. In this peaceful temple where love and light are everywhere. Let it go, just breathe and be like the wind, like the sea. In the springtime soft and clear, all the joy is already here.